Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're making some voodoo dolls.
Some little voodoo dolls. Yarn voodoo dolls.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had this idea for a while, and we decided to make it into a video, obviously.
Yeah.
So
I'm excited.
I am too.
I kind of want to make. I think they're gonna be cute.
I hope so. We might butcher it because we're just sort of winging it. We don't have any kind of pattern.
Yeah, we just kind of looked at a Google image and we're like, this is what we want to make. So we're gonna hope for
expectation versus reality. I can do that at the end. And see,
we're pretty creative, so I don't think it.
Well, don't tell people that because I might butcher it.
Oh, well, we'll edit this out.
We'll see.
So we got so many different colors here. We went bought a bunch of stuff. We got like every color here. This is totally like gay pride. We got the whites. Just go through all the colors. This is white. This is white again.
This one's an off-white, so it's like
that's
a gray.
That's gray.
A brown.
Red. Salmon.
Fuchsia.
Pink.
Like baby pink.
Oh, baby pink. Yellow.
Puke green.
My favorite. It actually is my favorite.
Teal? No, this is an actual green. It's just dark in here. This one's the teal.
Yeah, that's teal. That's just green.
Baby blue. Sky blue.
Oh.
Blue. Navy blue.
That's like a, what is that color? That's like
lilac.
Sure, yeah.
Deep royal purple. And black.
Because everyone cared to know all the colors. Perfect.
Now you all know. Also, we have these cute little
jewels.
I'm
excited. I'm gonna put these on them for sure.
I'm gonna use the black one for eyes, I think. Maybe the silver one for like decorations.
I don't even know what I'm gonna do. The hard part's gonna be making
the shape of the whole thing. I think is gonna be really difficult. Like we have to make a body. Unless we're gonna just do heads.
We're gonna have to look at reference.
And of course we have glue. Hot glue.
What, didn't we buy something else too? No? No, because it came with the...
buttons in there.
Oh, the buttons are white.
I told you they're like clear buttons.
I thought they were
and you're
gray.
like, well, that's okay.
Well, it'll work.
That's good.
I don't know what colors to use.
Oh my god, it's...
There's so many choices.
Cousin It from the Addams Family.
We gotta watch that one of these days.
Yeah. Okay, sorry, what are you doing?
I forget. Pick my colors.
Pick your color for the actual outside. Yeah, I guess it's like, first grab.
First come, first serve.
Unless we share.
Oh, well, I'm not even gonna run for that because I know you're not gonna take it.
Get tricked!
Oh my god! Get tricked. Get tricked!
Get tricked, nerd. So today I have the newest color of yarn. It's called Voodoo.
Yeah,
just search yarn. This is really difficult to start it off.
How are you?
How are you?
How are you? How are you doing?
I'm good, thanks. How are you? These scissors don't do anything.
They're awful. They literally like almost snapped when I just picked them up.
Like they're not even sharp though. It's just like blades. That's it.
They just like pinch it.
Pinch.
Oh.
Look, it's stuck. Help.
This has already gone so terribly wrong.
It's stuck on my finger now. Look at them.
They're all like. Oh, that's sad.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that sound. ASMR.
We're not an ASMR channel.
Maybe we are now. Did you turn it on?
No.
Do it. Do it.
Why are these all taken?
Well, you can unplug.
Oh wait, there's one. Oh my god, you're so cool.
Oh, you got me so good. You're making the lights flicker.
Good. But it's not going in here. I'm unplugging something.
Do it. Oh, it's got one of those fucking things. You gotta shove it in there.
Shove it. There we go. Okay, so it's gonna start heating up, but there's not a lot of glue in it. So.
And then also maybe we should put something under it.
Under where?
I remember when you told that awesome joke.
The what?
That awesome joke.
That awesome joke.
Oh!
Was it just awesome? Did you drink awesome shooters?
Yes.
It's for Beagles.
Oh. I feel very disappointed in myself now for not.
Good. Okay, this is just like not working.
No.
No, it's not.
Ow! That was dumb.
Is it already hot?
It was like a light, like, owie.
Ow! Ow!
It like took a second though, because it held on there for quite a while. And I was like, ow, ow.
That's funny. Hello,
Okay.
friends.
Oh, that's wrong to record. Update.
Update time.
We did a lot. I made my head way too big. So, I started the body.
I did too.
Oh,
and I
it almost
connected
rolled
to
off the
head.
table.
But
This has taken a lot longer than I think, well, than at least I thought.
I knew it was going to be a mission.
My thumb is cramping. It really hurts. And, yeah, I gotta try to figure out, because the head is way too big. It looks good so far, I think. Like, both of them are pretty good. Oh, wait.
Wow. Yeah, just so you guys can see.
What shade is that?
This is the Voodoo color.
Ooh,
Yeah.
pretty color. I love it.
It's the 2018 edition, so limited run. Get it while you can at your local dollar store. Oh. Process of doing it. He's going and he's like, I think this is good enough. Still goes, and I'm like, I thought you said you were done.
And then, like, 5 minutes later, I ended up with this.
Yep.
Beauty.
So, what color should I pick, you guys?
Leave a comment down.
Leave a comment down below.
We'll wait.
I'll wait like a week, and then
Yeah,
I'll pick the
no.
top color. Just kidding.
I think.
No, tell me now. Telepathically.
What do they say?
They told me different colors because there's different people. You guys have to
They
pick
literally
one.
said all the colors. You gotta all agree on one color.
No, one person said yellow, another person said this blue.
I think those are your
One
multiple
person
personalities.
said the purple because they know I like purple.
That was all your multiple personalities.
Shh.
Fuck, this
Which I
fuck
think I
was like
need.
webs everywhere.
Yeah, why do I have like a web in my hair?
Oh,
So this is like the 10th time that this has happened to Dryden.
oh my god.
I'd like to point out I usually get the hot glue on my nails for some weird reason. I've peeled it off my nails.
I did it
like
again.
10
I did it
times.
again.
Oops.
Did it again. Do.
Wow, you lined it up wrong.
I'm so sorry.
You ruined my rainbow.
You ruined my pride. Inside joke.
You know what would have been really fun?
What?
You fucked up.
What?
It would have been really fun to make each other.
I was gonna say that. We still have time. What do you mean no?
How do we have time?
Oh,
Yours
you
is.
mean you just got a big ass head. I could unravel it. Right? I'm pretty much pink all the time, so that works. Should we make each other? Oh, but you're wearing. Oh, but your hair. That would be fun to do, and I got a striped shirt on. We can make the
How would I even do your hair?
Yellow.
But like how?
You should know. Can we do that? That would be so much funner.
Funner is
Yeah.
not a word. I fucked up.
Tell me now so I can unravel it. Yes or no?
Unravel what?
My yarn a bit to make your head not so big.
That's a lot of work.
Not really.
You said it yourself.
I'll just do it.
Because I was like, do it. And
Tell
you're
me.
like, that's a lot of work.
Yes or no? Quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah.
Do it? Unravel it? Okay.
And then you'll get to keep mine, but I get to keep yours.
Oh, ASMR.
We're not an ASMR channel.
I'm making it a thing.
It's not a thing.
That's pretty close, right? Or is this one more close? Oh.
My hair's like in between.
Oh, I can do both. Got it.
What about the purple in my hair?
I take that into consideration.
I don't think you can do it.
I think I can do it. I think I'm pretty artsy. And now that you said I can't do it, guess what?
Maybe if you color it with marker. Color the top purple with marker.
I'll figure it out.
But also my hair color is going to change soon anyway.
Well, it's
They
you
change it all
today.
the time.
We're creating us today. So you gotta do the striped surface.
Stripe cert.
Damn it.
I'll make sure you
The
have a stripe
stripes.
cert.
Fuck you.
Update. Again.
Okay.
Too late. I just did it.
Update.
So apparently we can't do legs.
Oh no, Lo, look at mine. Oh, something's so good. Looks good.
That's it though. Are you sure?
I'm sure. I have enough confidence in myself. I don't know about you, but the hair is way too long.
The hairs.
The hair. Oh,
Whoa.
oh, girl. So far what I got going on here is I'm making her t-shirt.
What?
And I didn't want it to look like she was wearing a bodysuit, so I had to
I
make
wear
it.
all black all the time.
Because she wears all black all the time. So I added a little crop top, if you can see that there. And then I got her hair. How's that look? Come on. That's pretty cute, right? I think so. I think it looks good. Let's compare the two. My little
You look like
stubby
you're
legs.
giving the finger.
Yes,
I love
oh, I
it.
can't put that in there now.
She just gave the camera the finger.
Yeah, blur it out.
Yeah.
Yes. We're finally done.
Okay,
oh my god,
like,
that took so
hours.
long. It's what time is it? It's
It's 1:11.
1:11
1:11.
in the morning, and I work at 7.
Yeah, I work tomorrow too. Not that early though, but I know. It was fun though.
Yeah.
If you have like a lot of time and you just want to chill and hang out and talk with someone, like it's great.
Yeah, well, this
activity.
wasn't as much as of a tutorial.
No, it was
it was
just kind of
just,
like a watch us do this.
Yeah.
Entertainment purposes though. Like,
Yeah.
It's entertaining for me. I hope it's entertaining.
It was
for
fun.
them.
It was really fun to do.
It was.
Very tedious. I burnt myself so many times. I burned myself again. Really bad.
Dryden wanted to cry.
I'm
twice.
also really upset with how this body turned out, by the way. It was really hard to do the body. I like the head, hate the body. She looks like a bodybuilder.
Mine was, it's okay. I'm not like disappointed with it, but like the legs were really difficult to make. It's kind of like you're starting with the body and then all of a sudden you're like, oh wait, I have to make legs.
Yeah.
But, you know.
Okay, well, reveal time. So who's gonna go first? I guess you're already showing them, so.
I am. So that's Dryden. I didn't even show you yet, but I put the necklace on you and your little watch.
That's what that was.
Yeah. And he has little nose piercing.
And I'm giving the finger.
Yeah, he's giving the finger. I don't know. I didn't add sleeves on you because I was too lazy mostly. But yeah, that's Dryden. It looks like you're wearing socks, but it's supposed to be shoes.
It's cute. I didn't give you feet because I was lazy. And you're already tall enough.
Wow.
So this
I
is...
am tall.
This is Jade.
But also I would have been black shoes.
Yeah, it would have looked me good taller. So that's Jade. So I went and did her signature hairstyle. And I like parted it there on the side. And I gave her an ear out of a button. I don't know. I like the head. I really like the head.
It's cute.
She's got multicolored
pink hair.
Multicolored pink hair. I wanted to give her roots, but your boy didn't have time for that. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what it is. That's what it looks like. Here's the comparison. This literally is us.
I like how it's like perfect. Like the height. I think the height difference is like perfect. I like how my skin tone is dead though. We couldn't, there's no way that this would have been...
No, that wouldn't have been enough for both of us. I wish I would have had time to give you a nose and stuff too.
I was gonna say, you have a nose light up. I'm just too dead.
I could have given you a lip piercing too. Oh.
Septum?
Next time. I definitely want to do this again though. This was this was fun to do. And
so we did each other, which is like humans. Next time I think I want to do like a witch or something. Like,
yeah, I want to do something
like a
funky.
mystical...
I want to do something not that I did it skin tone, but like, I don't want to do a person. A mermaid.
That'd be fun.
Yeah, and easier.
Yeah, because look at the legs. Literally mermaid.
You did pretty good. Like, this is pretty good. I actually really like that.
It's alright.
Oh, lucky I get to keep it.
Lucky.
You get stuck with his body.
No, it's cute.
I think it's surprisingly turned out like us.
People are gonna be like, what is this? I'll be like, oh, it's me. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, I think it's really cute, and I think it'll be like a fun thing to carry around. I'm probably not gonna lie. I'm actually probably gonna put it on my backpack.
You should. This is definitely going somewhere in my room.
Right here. So cute. I could put it in the front.
I'm scared it's gonna get lost. Yeah, for now do that.
So
I was gonna say something and I forget now.
About.
I don't remember.
Also, I'm wearing a crop top, just so you guys know.
She usually wears crop tops.
I don't usually.
Whenever we go to the club.
Whenever we go to the club, I do.
Ding, ding, ding. I was gonna say something, I can't remember. So I dance at the club. I'll be back. I could go use the washroom.
Oh. Goes on phone.
I could go back and I could use the washroom.
Wow, true.
That one night I kept doing that.
It was fun. It was a good idea.
She didn't want to do this today. She wanted to save this video for later.
Yeah.
But it was meant to be, I guess.
Just because it's like super random.
Yeah, and that's another thing too, is this is not going to be all we're making. This is not what our channel's going to be. We're just going to do a lot of different things.
A mismatch of everything that we want to do and everything we think that would be fun to do.
Yeah, just...
Sometimes it'll be serious, sometimes it'll be goofy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Well, you were going to say the same thing, because we're twins. Exposed.
Shh. Sister.
Brother. Okay.
Alright, well... Goodbye.
Okay, fucking stop it. Where's the button? I literally can't find it.
Also, show them this mess. This is, oh my gosh.
Trident's mess? My mess.
Don't expose me like that.
Hit print. It's not focusing on you. There it is. Get tricked.